Do you have any resources that you recommend? I mean, you've mentioned like Coin Laundry Association, you've mentioned mentors. Is there anything else that you would recommend for people to help them grow their business or to grow? I mean, you talked a lot about mindset, which I loved. And, I don't know if you have any resources to help kind of develop a good mindset or anything like that.
Well, you just join the forums. You have a forum there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm having some problems logging in that forums. We'll talk separately on that on your forums. Yeah. So
I want to check it out.
Join the forums. Also in the Facebook pages, there are a lot of laundry groups, that I joined in. I'm not an avid reader, but I have a couple of books that I have read, and I felt that it helped me a lot. So the first one would be The Blue Ocean Strategy from Harvard Business Press. Really, really good. And the next one is Getting Things Done by David Allen.
Yeah.
David Allen. And then the next one is The 10% Entrepreneur. It fits me perfectly. I was working back then and I have a business. So The 10% Entrepreneur by Patrick McGinnis. And then
I haven't read that.
Lastly, I would recommend The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. It's not applicable for us here in the Philippines, but I was able to get, read between the lines on how to use what he's trying to teach.
Yeah, I think it's a really great book for implementing systems, optimizing, saving time, saving money, putting the most important things first and getting rid of things that aren't important that we feel like maybe are important. So I think there's a lot. You're right. The main concept behind it is not necessarily applicable, but there are so many principles in there that are definitely applicable to what we're doing. Awesome resources.